Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys why your seatbelt is not latching or unlatching. The first common reason why your seatbelt is not latching or unlatching from the buckle is because most likely it's going to be caused by obstruction. So the first thing you should do is look inside a cavity of the buckle. Make sure there is no object in there. Check for food, check for coins, check for any little objects that may have fallen in there. If an object is stuck inside the cavity of the buckle, you could use a pick and try to pick that object out. You could use tweezers. You could remove the object that's in there, like food, or if there's a buildup of dog hairs, or you got a lot of dirt or small little rocks that fell in there somehow, you can use a sharp vacuum cleaner and you can vacuum it out. Once the object is out and there's no more interference, the mechanism inside can now move freely. So when you put the seatbelt onto the buckle, it should latch on. What if there is no foreign object in there that is causing the mechanism to stick? And let's just say you spilled soda on it and over time the mechanism starts to stick. Well, there are a few things you can do to make that mechanism move again. You could use WD-40 and you can lubricate it, and hopefully that will allow the mechanism to start moving inside. You can use PB Blaster and spray a lot in there, and hopefully the mechanism no longer stick inside. Once the buckle internal mechanism is no longer stuck, there's a chance that it might get stuck again. So you want to maintain it. You want to use wheel bearing grease and you want to put some on the inside, and that will help lubricate it. You can also use white lithium grease, and that works pretty well. And again, you can use WD-40 and PB Blaster. Whatever you do, do not service your buckle. It should be left up to the professional, because if you try to service your buckle, you could screw it up and then this become a safety issue. If you're going to replace the buckle, try to buy a brand new buckle, because if you try to buy a used buckle, and let's just say that used buckle came from a vehicle that was involved in an accident, there's a good chance that that buckle mechanism inside might have malfunction caused by the accident. When you replace your buckle and it has an electrical connection, make sure to plug it in right there, because if you don't, it is going to trigger the seatbelt light. I hope you found that video informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.